So if you're a very busy parent, especially in this time when parenting has become so challenging, 10-10-10 rule of parenting still finds the best results. So the bare minimum you have to do is give the 10 minutes of undivided attention when the baby wakes up in the morning, and similarly when the baby returns from from outdoor activities or from the school, just give them those 10 minutes of undivided attention. And by the time when the child is going to sleep, give them those 10 minutes of undivided attention. And I cannot tell you the magical results that I have seen in throughout the cases where I have recommended people to follow this rule. Even if both the parents are working, they can apply this formula, 10-10-10 rule of parenting. And the best part is the relation with the child becomes stronger, and there is a time when the family can really open up. And there are no distractions, like no gadgets are there, no mobile phone, nothing is there to disturb the undivided attention that you give to the child. So just try it out in your parenting journey also, and let me know how you felt. So for me, the realistic example is, like, most of the time the father of the child is not available, but he has been using this formula since very early childhood. And the best part is, even till date, the child is going to turn around 4. Every single night he needs his father before going to the bed. So either he will call him up or he will connect with his father before making sure that he gets his 10 minutes of undivided attention. And it really creates magic. Thank you.